Guys, the story today is we are on our way to Chateau Impney to an invitation-only car show. What we had to do was put our email address in with what car we had, what car we were going in. We're going in Pete's Alfa Romeo, which is awesome. And then depending on what car, what era of car you drive, depending on whether you got invited or not. And we have got an invitation. We have just arrived at Coffee and Chrome at the Chateau Impney. The mix of cars is so diverse. This is beautiful, a 1961 Jaguar E-Type. Absolutely stunning. Really, really beautiful. You get tokens for breakfast as well, so, well, a bacon butty or something, so we're just going to get that. That's a nice coffee.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
I used to have a Mini Cooper. It was red with a white roof. I love this Mini, it's awesome.
You heard of this story? You heard about this guy? I might have.
There are the most amazing cars at Chateau Impney Coffee and Chrome. Have a look at these. It's a beast of a TVR, isn't it? 1959 series Land Rover.
Exactly the same front. Exactly the same. But there's some black paint.
This colour flip TVR is just incredible. I hope it shows up on here. Absolutely awesome. And look at the number plate. Oh, stunning, stunning. What's just awesome is the massive selection of cars, just completely different, from all different eras. And this is Pete's awesome Alpha. The paintwork on it is stunning. It's like a metallic red. It's beautiful. Absolutely superb. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, please consider subscribing. There'll be another video out next Monday.